Hi, so today we're gonna talk about why I think Anantraj is one of the best data center stocks out there and why I think it does has a first move advantage. So as you can see, I've made a PPT to explain to you clearly as well. So Anantraj has been in the infrastructure for around 50 years, right? And for the past 2 years, it has gained a lot of attention because it has signed around MOUs of around 25,000 crores with the Haryana government and around 5,000 crores with the Andhra Pradesh government to plan its data center expansion. Currently, it's one of the among the few stocks which is implemented and has executional data centers out there of 28. So Anantraj specifically has 28 megawatts of data centers operational. So I'll show you here. So as you can see, it's a 5-decade real estate company which is planning to get into data center. So as you can see, Anantraj has been in the infrastructure business for around 55 years as of now. It deals in 3 criteria. First of all, residential perks and office spaces, and also it is now entered the data center range. It also leases office spaces, which is a recurring form of revenue, so that's a plus point as well. So it has delivered 20 million square feet of residential land, around 5 million square feet of office spaces, and as of now it owns 300 plus acres of land bank, debt free, fully paid, which is a massive plus point because data center requires a large amount of land, and even though they can be stacked on top of each other, but still land is required, which is an advantage here, right? Then the profit growth of the company, I'll discuss it later on when I show the analysis on screener. I'll just brief first, right? So recently, Anantraj is also planning its demerger. As of now, Anantraj is a company, listed company as Anantraj Ltd. It has been divided now into 2 companies, Anantraj Ltd, which will control real estate and infrastructure business, and the other entity will be Ashok Private Cloud Ltd, which will control data center business. The entire data center theme business will come under this entity. So as you can see here, Anantraj is also given a 1:1 bonus. So every stock you are holding in Anantraj Limited, you'll get a free bonus share in Ashok Private Cloud Limited when it's listed on the National Stock Exchange, right? So since the announcement, it's up 3%, but now it's down around 5% as well last trading session. The advantages, what they'll do is they'll provide co-location services as well as cloud services. So I'll explain what are each of them. Co-location services, like they can use the infrastructure, they'll give the entire data center infrastructure to the companies, to the big companies, so that they can use their services. They can give them on lease. For cloud services, what they'll do is they'll give cloud services is like a subscription model. So it's a recurring revenue for a company which is automated, managed by subscriptions. What they'll do is people will buy the cloud space for a specific storage, and they'll store their own data. This is the good. This contributes to the major chunk of revenue because it's automated and it's recurring. So this is this. So as of now, Anantraj, the data center, I'll discuss more of the data center, okay? So as of now, the data center business is expanding up to 28 megawatts, out of which 21 megawatts is in Haryana, and so is in Manesar, and 7 megawatts is in Panchkula. Total, it's projected to generate 176 crores. 176 crores on 28 megawatt is quite good revenue, around 6.5 crores per megawatt. And it's planning to increase its capacity from 28 to 357 megawatts by 2032, which is like a sure bet that I think it'll grow, because if it does execute whatever it's projected, it'll do really well. As I was saying, it's planning to grow 13x from 28 megawatt to 357 megawatt, out of which 75% will be co-location services, which is leasing to IT capacity, leasing the IT capacity to the companies, big companies, and 25% will be from cloud services, which will be like infrastructure as a service by subscription model. So, as I said earlier in the video, around 20,000 crores of MOU signed with the Haryana government, 5,000 crores of MOU signed with the Andhra Pradesh government, 75 crore investment initially from Anantraj Ltd to this data center business, which gave them the stocks they own. What data centers are operational here? Manesar data center is operational, Panchkula data center is operational. They have made a IT parks in Sonipat. The MOU signed with Andhra Pradesh, with Haryana, and they'll also give the co-location services to Singapore. Why it has a first mover advantage? Because it has debt-free land. It has the first mover advantage in data centers because it's among the very few companies with executional data centers as of now. Okay, so now I'll show the analysis for the company. Anantraj is a mid-cap company in real estate, infrastructure, and data center themes. It's a 21,000 crore company with current price of 587. It has a decent order book because it has MOU signed, so it has a decent book value of 160. A mid PE, not very high, not very low. The PE usually where I like to adjust in is 38. Exceptional, I wouldn't say exceptional, but decent ROE. So it's been in this constant range of around 500 for the past 8 months. Okay, as you can see, around 500, 400, 600 range, and I feel like it has a lot of potential to grow from here because initially it was just a real estate company, right? And now it's planning to evolve its business to data center as well. So the good thing about this company is that it has an advantage. It's not limited to infra. That's the plus point. Okay, it has been increasing its profit quarter on quarter. So around 74 crores in March 2023, then March 2024 104 crores, really well, 142 in March 2025, and March 26 167. Decent growth, around I would say 15% growth every year. Right, net profit is also positive. So 48 crores in March 23, 84 and 24, 190 and 25, and 149 and 26. Really nice. 559 crores of profit in a year. Massive. Wow. Okay, so I like this company a lot, and I think it's meant to grow in the future. The other thing I like about the company is that the promoter holding is still 57%. It was 60% last year, but it dropped down to 57% this year, but I still think it can grow. So this was the company analysis as of now. Thank you.